Dr. Berg was responding to the governor's announcement Tuesday night of 422 new COVID cases.
It generally peaks at about 3 weeks. So we think in Guam, maybe a month. So you're talking about February 1-ish. I hope that we will start slowing down. Again, our peak is probably, I hope it's 400, but it's not going to surprise anybody who's been working with this if it peaks at around 600.
And while 600 infections in a single day may sound alarming, Berg reminds that with Omicron, which he absolutely believes is fueling this new surge, hospitals are not filling up with really sick people. And if it were to run its course and not impact critical frontline personnel, that might not be an altogether bad thing.
In point of fact, I had a friend who is a healthcare provider who said, I hope I get Omicron. I'm not going to go so far as to say that, but I'd say if one is in the mainstream or in the big population, this should not be a threat to those who are not significantly ill. And if you are fully vaccinated or fully protected and you get Omicron and you do well, the reality is, right, at least I would say the preliminary data shows that those people are highly protected. If we can get through this without many people getting hospitalized and dying and not a threat to our overall function of the community, we may come out of this stronger. I'm cautiously optimistic that that's what's going to happen.
He says it's reasonable because a similar thing happened in the last global pandemic of 1918, when the dominant variant eventually became fast spreading, but less deadly.
In medical school, we were told that it died out because it had altered or became a variant that was very infectious, but didn't kill people. And it went away after that, because that was the dominant variant. We don't find alpha variant anymore. We don't find delta variant. We hope Omicron is done and no new variant will be able to infect people who have the combination of prior infection and vaccination.
So Omicron could be the endemic variant if there is such a thing?
Pray hard. Yes, but it's not an unreasonable thing to pray for.
For Guam's News Network, I'm Nestor Lecanto.